Hi crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous wall hanging panel with these gorgeous paper quilling flowers and handmade background. Isn't it looking pretty? So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, liquid glue, quilling tool, any sentiment to add on your panel, border punch, some inks, I'm using archival ink, sponge applicators, white color sheet, mount board or cardboard, any stencil and scissor. First I'm taking this 23 by 23 centimeters white color sheet. This is having 240 GSM thickness, and I will do some stencil work using this rose stencil. And today I am using artistry ink in pink and grey color. You can use any kind of inks like distress inks, archival inks. So I'm just doing it randomly here and there and covering the full sheet using these colors. So this is done. Now using this fly stamp and yellow artistry ink, I am just stamping here and there. So pattern paper is ready. Now I'm taking this 23 by 23 centimeters cardboard piece and I will add my handmade pattern paper on this. Then I am taking some punched borders and I will cover all 4 sides using this. This is a scroll border from EK Tools. Now I'm adding this wishing you the happiest birthday ever with love sentiment in the center. This is a stamped sentiment, but you can handwrite any sentiment. Now to give little 3 dimension, I am adding one cardboard piece on back side and then adding this sentiment in the center of the sheet. Like this. So the base is ready. Now I'm starting with these cute purple flowers. This is a 6-petal flower. To create the petal, I am taking half strip of light purple color and making one teardrop shape. Like this. In the same way, I have already created 2 more teardrops. Now I am joining all 3 teardrops with each other and wrapping this whole petal using off-white color strip. So petal is ready. Now I'm joining all 6 petals together and making a flower. Now for the center of the flower, I am taking one strip of off-white color and making one tight coil. Adding the tight coil in the center, and the flower is ready. So in today's project I am using 6 these types of flowers. Now I'm starting with this tiny dark purple flower. This is a 5-petal flower. For this I am taking half strip of dark purple and making one tight leaf dome. Like this. Now joining all 5 petals together, and for the center I am adding half cut pearl. So this is done. In the same way we need total 12 flowers. Now I am starting with these scrolls. For this I am taking 2 strips of 1/4 peach color and 2 strips of 1/4 off-white color, just combining all these 4 strips with each other. Fold it from the center and I am twisting this whole bunch using my pointed tweezer. So the scroll is ready. I am just pulling each strip little bit so that we can see all strips through the scroll, cutting the excess strips and securing the end. So the scroll is ready. In the same way I have created one more scroll using 2 light purple and 2 dark purple 1/4 strips. Now I am joining both the scrolls with each other. In the same way I have created total 8 scroll bunches. Now I am starting with these leaves. For this I am taking one strip of dark peach color and making one pointed teardrop shape. Then Then I'm taking this 1/6 strip of peach color, just fold it from the center, add little glue on both the sides, connect the leaf in the center and just secure it. So the leaf is ready. Also I have created this leaf using 3 petals. Now I have already decorated the one corner. In the same way I will show you how to decorate the other corner. First I am adding my big purple flowers. Then I am taking this small piece of strip, just making a little curved shape, and then I will add my rest of the flowers, leaves and scrolls. Like this. So the beautiful birthday wall panel is ready. You can just frame it to gift it to your loved ones. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.